file, new, select any size, then go to workspace. Okay, like here you can see,
Okay.
and select motion. Okay,
Okay.
then click create video timeline. Okay, now type a text here. First of all, see this, what is in video editing. This is called 30 fps, frames per second. Okay, this is hours, minutes, seconds, frames. Okay, from here you can zoom. By default layer duration is 5 seconds. Okay, you can see it's 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. There is 30 frames in 1 second. This is play button. Okay, and see, now if you type text here, before typing the text you do one thing. Okay, type the text like here. Okay,
Okay.
then type like Dennis. Okay, now control T in Windows, here command T, then do one thing, like this one should be anywhere like in the center. Okay, now select this, click here,
So when you type it, I feel down already.
click here,
Okay.
then you can see transform, opacity, style, or text wall.
Okay.
So click on transform here. This is called time vary stopwatch, from where you can enable the keyframe animation. Like click here, so you can see one keyframe will appear here.
Okay.
Okay, this is called playhead. Now move the playhead to 3 seconds. Okay, then from here you can add or remove keyframe. This one is if you want to go to previous keyframe. Like if I add another keyframe here, and at this point, now if you change the transform from here like this, see, and then click here or press enter. Now show transform control, you can uncheck this, and when you play the video from here you can see. Let me show you once again. Okay, see, this is type, and type here DINEZ. Okay, then move the text anywhere like here. Okay, now click here, then click here, transform, enable keyframe animation. Okay, now move it to 3 seconds or anywhere, the playhead. Okay, then click here and add another keyframe. At this point you can press Ctrl T or Command T in Mac, Ctrl T, and then press and hold Alt plus Shift, and then change the size, then press enter. Now see.